Hey everyone, welcome to another little devlog video for Pandemic Walkers. That's kind of the working title right now. I had to rename it because of issues, but that's what we've got right now. I'm planning to go with that at the moment. We'll see. I'm always open to suggestions, but I'm personally quite fond of the name at the moment. But that's not really the point of the video. The point of the video is to discuss the new stuff in the game, or at least the new look, or whatever you want to call it. So the most notable, I'd say, feature that I've added since I've been back from holiday is the leveling system. I talked about it a little bit in my Discord, on the clan Discord, but a lot more has happened with it now. So yeah, it doesn't have a reward just yet. I need to come up with some reward or like an actual progression system, because you've got the leveling in, which is great. I need to figure out a way to actually build your character, because at the moment I have quite literally no idea what I'm going to do with that. I really don't know. I'm thinking of ways to do it, but it's not really the top of my list right now in terms of priority. I am planning on doing a proper progression thing, whether it's to do with leveling your weapons, whether it's to do with leveling yourself. I don't know, because these games need a bit of depth in that regard. But I'm not really sure what I should go with, what would be quite fun, what would be easy. I don't really know yet. So I am looking into stuff, but at the moment it's not really my main concern. My main concern is basically just getting a few things in, like the outpost stuff, the polishing of certain things like this background that I'll be going into, and also getting some exploration in. I'm being attacked. So that's kind of my plan right now. I don't really have anything else other than that to really go off of a plan. But it works. I'm currently level 5 with 155. That makes no sense. 1,550 experience left until I level up. I don't have any actual sort of effect when you do level up. I need to obviously sort that out, but I will. So I'm going to be doing that. I might actually add a few things that add to your experience. Like I might have it so you can loot and get experience, or exploration maybe have an experience impact. I don't really know. At the moment, all you can do to level up is just kill zombies. Obviously, there will be missions to be doing when that time comes around with like NPCs and things. There'll be missions, and that'll grant you a lot of experience. But for the most part, right now, it's just killing zombies, and that's about it. So I'm actually trying to find zombies. There's one. They need to be more plentiful, I have to say. By the way, just for those wondering, up here is an FPS counter. I basically just got it in there just so I can see what I'm looking at. Obviously, these are the status icons. This is essentially just for debugging. So I've got a shortcut that allows me to quickly just have a look around, because it's quite a big area, and I don't have a full-on view of the entire block. So if I'm trying to look for zombies and stuff like that, I just do that, and then I can hit like control space and then teleport my character. That will not be in the game. It might be in like a test version for those who are helping test out, just so I can get things easier, but that's not going to be in the game. And down here is a ammo counter. The way I've got ammo working at the moment is that it's not a physical item you hold in the inventory. Essentially, there's just an amount that you can carry, and yeah, it doesn't take up any inventory space, and that's pretty much it. I might make it a physical item eventually, but for now it's literally just its own sort of like thing. Imagine it like you've just got a pouch, a separate pouch where you just store bullets. That's kind of the way it is right now. So I might add that as a section. But yes, the other most notable thing, the background. So I went into my 3D modeling program that I use for my other games, like my Five Nights at Freddy's fan games and things, and I basically just threw together a little scene. I'm pretty happy with the way it looks, actually. Other than the grass looks really strange. The reason it almost looks like a vacuum there is because this is actually a terrain change. It's rendered in an orthographic view, so everything looks the exact same height as each other. Because I thought it looked better. I don't know if I'm going to keep it that way or if I'll change it. I don't know really, but that's why it looks a little bit strange, like a sinkhole almost. And all the grass is way too black, and it shouldn't be. I don't know why that is. I can probably figure that out, but yeah. The reason I'm actually really happy with the way the rocks look. It looks very good in my opinion. The problem I have with it is that this is not meant to be standard look of it. This is meant to be the rain view of it when it's raining. I'm not really good with getting wet surfaces like that. Without them looking really bad, so I don't know what I'm going to do there, but we'll figure something out. Someone in the Discord I'm sending all this to suggested to get day and night cycles in. I'm planning to do that. There's going to be some day and night cycle stuff eventually. As you can see, these are the points that you can leave. You can sort of see there's a little block there, so you can go left or you can go down. That's the plan. I haven't obviously got it in yet, but that is the plan. as for exploration and how I'm going to be doing that, I'm basically planning on just... let me go to the top of the map just to make life easier quickly. I'm basically, because I want to test out the outposts. Oh my god, they're all over here. It's weird, they almost seem to swarm with each other. I don't know why it does that. Anyway, yeah, I'm planning on having this area up here potentially just as an area to quickly go to the outpost and back when I start doing exploration. Because that's my plan really, is to get an outpost at least in first before I start going crazy with exploration. So I'm going to have an area with an outpost sort of available, and then I'm just going to run in there and yeah. So I don't exactly know how I'm going to do the outpost yet, but I'm kind of looking forward to what I've got to do with that. It's going to be interesting. I also got the flashlight effect, but that's kind of meh. It's just there. So yeah, I'm planning on working on a few more lighting things as well, like bullets, lighting in the dark. That's pretty cool. But that's pretty much all I've got to show right now. There will be more soon. I'm planning on replacing some of these sprites with maybe old ones, just as a placeholder thing, just so it actually blends quite well. But that is pretty much it for now. So thanks everyone for watching. Really appreciate it as always. And we'll see you all in the next video. That was a really awkward outro. Wow.